This is our Whetman Equipment pressure spray deck, and as you can see, it's a fantastic way to unite a body with a boat and keep you super dry. Just check out the form. It's all three-dimensional, sculptured to bond with your cockpit. Yeah. So not only does it look nice, but it's a high performance bit of kit made in Europe. Contrast stitching across the front there. You've got aramid reinforcement all the way around the vital elements of the cockpit rim. You've got bright coloured, very wide, positive quick release on the front. Here you've got your classic bungee cord, but this isn't your normal bungee cord, no. It's not a 9mm, this is a 10mm bungee cord. Thanks very much. Which makes it more powerful. Okay, so it's going to hold on to your boat nice and solid. Worked with my mate Declan from Spraydeck to do these. Collaborated with him. Lots of discussions. "Oh, Steve, we cannot do this. Your shock cord is too thick." Well, you better find a needle to fit. So you had to go and find a needle made of special metal, some sort of unobtainium, strong enough to stab through that shock cord and through the 4mm neoprene. But he'd done it. Done a really good job, as you can see. Uniform stitching, can you see that there? Uniform, very close, tight, consistent stitching through. Very difficult to do, actually. On the underside, we have got a full, generous brush coating of latex all the way around the whole spray deck, obviously making it dry. Notice that the colour here is slightly silvery by nature. That's its natural colour of the 100% latex. This latex doesn't have any pigment in it at all, no black pigment, okay, which means that it's not contaminated, yeah, which means it's going to be more soft, more elastic and more supple to produce a better contact with your boat, okay. If you put black pigment in there, what it does is it contaminates the latex, makes it a little bit brittle, and over time it will break down and crumble and put black spots on your boat, okay. You don't want chalk in your cocaine, and you don't want any black pigment in your latex really, if you want the performance. Okay, this deck was used a few days ago, so it's a bit damp. That is creating the natural colour of the latex. Okay. Notice also, if I hold this up, that the actual tube itself is oval, okay, rather than round, okay, as most bodies are oval in shape. This neoprene, as I said, is a 4mm robust, very high quality and tough and resistant neoprene, and it's been stitched together using some clever machines. So notice here you have orange stitching on the front, and it's combining the jerseys of these two panels together, and it stitches only under the surface in a curved needle, so just under 10% through the neoprene and up and out again. Okay, what it doesn't do is stitch all the way through the neoprene and create a hole. Notice on the other side, the opposite face, is a different stitch which is black. The evidence is clear. Okay, so the two panels are butt glued together with industrial glue, and that creates the seal. There is no need at all to put tape over that seam on this side or that side, because it is 100% dry. That's what you get when you make a spray deck by a specialist made in Europe. So this is the pressure deck, okay, built to, as the name suggests, hold high water pressure situations. Having said that, we've also got its biggest brother here, which is for the most extreme whitewater situations, waterfalls, heavy water, the like. This has got an 11.5mm shock cord on it, okay, which is super thick, super powerful, and indicated by the red contrast stitching there and the red contrast stitching here. Okay, this gripper deck is going to certainly look after you when you need it most. If you're down in the dark room having just plunged down off a waterfall, or if you're getting impulsed and pulsed by some big pressure waves, then this is going to be the one to look after you. It's definitely a high quality spray deck, and it's going to last you for many, many, many years. And as I said, with the latex, high quality brushed latex, you can actually see the pattern there where it's been brushed. That is going to be very, very dry. Okay, enough said. No more Spraydeck blues. Unless you happen to be in my shed.